Hi, this is Magnar and welcome back to my modding tutorial series for Rome 2 Total War. In this episode I'm going to show you how to mod faction flags. I had a couple of requests for this, so I thought I'd bump it up the list and release it now. Before we get started, we're going to have to, to start should I say, we're going to have to extract the relevant data, the relevant flags from the vanilla packs, because we haven't done that yet. So we're going to open up the data_Rome2, which I've done here. Then we're going to go down to UI, which is here, flags, and then each faction has their own folder for flags. We can extract all of them if you want, or you can just extract the ones that you want to edit. And I will do the Rome one, if I can find it. Okay, so Rome is not in this pack here in the data_Rome2 pack. Should be right there, but it's not, so we're going to have to look in another pack for it. So let's open up this one here, just the data pack, which I've done here, and go to exactly the same place, UI, flags, scroll down, you see a lot more factions here, and Rome is right there. So let's extract that by right clicking it. So go to extract, extract selected, and now we're going to choose our whip folder that we've been using in the tutorial folder. So you select the folder you want to extract it to, and then it creates the directories for you. Okay, we don't need those anymore. So let's go into where we've... oh, I extracted it to the wrong place, didn't I? That doesn't matter. So I'm just going to edit. And you can open up here, you can have it in the preview window, or like that. You can see that there's a DDS and a PNG file for each sized flags. So 256 pixels, 64, 24, and for the banner. If you haven't already got the DDS plugin for Photoshop or GIMP, then you will need that to edit to save as DDS. So then all we have to do is just edit each one. Let's start with the big ones and then we can bake them down rather than doing them all individually. I'll open with GIMP. Check which one okay, I'm getting the PNG file here. Okay. And then you can just go in there and draw, copy, paste, edit, whatever you want to do to change whatever you want to change this to be. So I'm going to put a big smiley face in there. Great artist, yeah I know. Okay, so I can do that. And then I will export as, and it will be PNG. Export, replace the one that's there, and there you go. You can do the same to this one here as well. In fact, I'll just copy and paste the one I've just done to make sure it's the same for all of them. I don't want to use Photoshop, do I? Okay, so the icon is the same, so I'm just going to copy it, come over here and just paste it on top. Okay, and then I can just extract that again. And this time as DDS, so select DDS from the list. There it is. Export, replace. We're going to pick a compression. Okay, so we're going to have to pick a compression, and that compression is going to be this one here, DXT1. If you're in Photoshop, you will use DXT1 Alpha. So I select that. We don't need to generate bitmaps for this. Then we can just click OK. And now we have. Oh, hang on. So let's refresh. Now it shows up. Then we can do the other ones as well, but we'll just reduce their size once we load them up. So let's grab the DDS first. You see this one's much smaller. We'll just select that, copy it, Control C or whatever, paste it in there, and then Control T to let's see. We're going to transform it now. We're going to shrink the size of it. So we're on scale. Oh, sorry, Shift T. And we want to do it to. We can see that this is 64 coming down from 256. So we can just say 64 times 64, and we get the exact size that we want. And of course we have to move it onto we want to I really should get used to using GIMP. I do all the tutorials in it, but I just don't ever use it enough. Okay, let's just make sure it's over same area. Okay, and we can get rid of the okay, now we can save that. Now we've just copied it over directly. And then we just save it. No, not save it, we export it. It's DDS. Yep, we've got DDS. Export, replace. No bitmaps. DXT1. Same as before. And you can just check our folder. So now we've got it all the same. And you just continue to do that for all of them. You can also mod the banner for the faction as well here, if you like. And once you've done that, you go into your mod pack, and as we've done throughout the series, we just add it to the right folder. So you can just follow this directory of UI flags Rome for this particular emblem, and you go, so let's do UI, create an empty directory, so let's call it flags within the UI folder. And then we'll create another one, call it Rome, and then we'll add files from this place here. You can see I've been working on a new Force March image, which will replace Force March for Magnar Mod, but that will be for another tutorial. Okay, so we go down to where we have all this saved. Just grab these files. Well, you would ideally have done this to all of the same files, so it works from all different zoomings. Okay, and then we can just, everything that you've added, put it in like that. And now these will overwrite the vanilla ones, so that you'll have your new faction emblem there. And that's all there is to modding the faction emblems. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.